busy eating from the bird feeder. And the other one sitting in between the grapevine. Two of them, I think. Yes, another one. Waiting to take a swing on the bird feeder. Right? Chickadees only. Can't see the other ones. There's a lot of breeze today with a -20 temperature on the sunny day. The sun is deceptively hot on this very cold day. Look at this. Swinging in the breeze. Just look at that. More than eating, it drops it down. Why? For your friends? There. Half around. And a turn around for you. Trying to balance itself. Look at the blue skies with a little cloud. Look at it flapping its wings. The tail going up and down and the wings going up and down. Trying to perch. Where are your friends? Icicles there, little icicles. Fresh ones, we've taken the old ones off. They've become long and heavy for the eaves trough. The Winter Olympics commentary in the background I can hear from the other room on the TV. Eats a little bit and throws the rest on the ground. Throws a bit on the ground, right? Look at that. cloud over the sun. There.